Today's video from Sam4S help.co.uk, we're taking a look at PLU programming on the NR510F and 520F. So this video we're using the 510, but the process is the same on both registers. So firstly, what is a PLU? PLU stands for price or product lookup. It basically means individual product. So on these machines you have 60 buttons here, which are all preset PLUs. So you would use this sort of machine in a cafe or bar, or a catering event, and each button would be set to be coffee, pint of Foster's, with the price come up. In this video we're going to show you how to program those buttons. It's really straightforward. The only thing you need in addition to the till is the metal key marked P. So when you receive the machine you will have received a bunch of keys, and you need the P for programming key. When you've got that in the key lock, you turn it around to the PGM position, and the default #1 setting is PLU. So you simply press cash enter to go into PLU, and then press it again to go into add change, and then we're going to do one PLU at a time, so we simply press cash enter again. You then press the PLU you want to program, so I'm going to start with PLU 6. You press it and it goes into the settings for that button, and we'll edit the most popular ones to set the button up and get it working. So the first one is description, so you press cash enter to go into the description, and then you simply type in your description using the letters on the keypad. Description can be up to 24 characters. Once you're happy with your description, cash enter to save, and then arrow down to price, cash enter to go in and set the price. You don't need to enter the decimal point, the till will put this in for you automatically. Cash enter to save, and then preset is set to yes. Obviously you want it preset. Preset override defaults to yes, but you may want to change this. Preset override means that someone can override the price in the reg mode, but if you always want your button at the preset price, you simply press cash to go into it, arrow down till it says an N on the display for no, and then that has turned off the preset override. We scroll down, we've got tax rate settings. So if you wanted to set this product to tax rate 1, if you've got tax calculated on your machine, again you simply go into it, arrow up to yes, cash to save. Group is another important setting, so all the PLUs default to group 1. You may want to change that, so you go into it and simply type in the group you want to set. Let's have a look, is there any more popular settings? You can scroll, there's a page down button here if you don't want to scroll through it individually for each individual line. So there's a lot of settings you can set for each PLU, but generally it's description, price, group and tax settings. Once you're happy that you've set the button up correctly and you've entered all the programming you want to, you press clear. That'll get you back to the main PLU screen. If it was only one button you were programming, you press clear 3 more times to return to the main mode. I'll program in another one. So we had PLU 6, and now let's program PLU 12. So we'll do cash to go into the description. So there's a backspace button on the keyboard as well, so if you make a mistake, backspace is down here, space is there. Once you're happy with description, cash to save, down to the price, type it in, cash to save, preset override. I've explained how to get around that. I'm going to leave that one open and just show you how it works in the reg mode. So that one has got preset override on it, and then we just need to change the group to be 5. Again, clear once we're happy with our settings, and then clear again, back to the main program mode. And once you've got this screen up, you're safe to turn the key round to reg, and then you've got your Foster's pint at £4, Foster's half at £2. The preset override is on or disabled on this button, so that's what happens if you try and ring for a random price, and on the other button it lets you do it. So you can ring 10p through the half button if you wanted to. So that's why you might want the preset override turned off. So that's how to program PLUs on the 510F and 520F. And we've got plenty of videos showing you more about those machines, some of which will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to watch those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.